All right, back again. Ben's going to do a third box. Contenders basketball, 1920. Just hit the Reggie Miller playoff historic ticket. Nice piece right there. Looking for big rookie hits. Good luck, man. All right, Nikhil Alexander-Walker, Rookie of the Year Contenders insert. All right, we got some ice. Cracked ice at 25. Kristaps Porzingis. Chungus is in here. What's up, Mark? How you doing? Pacers team quad. Okay, Jarrett Culver lottery ticket. Mr. Dillon. That's a name I haven't heard in a while. 76ers team quad. Not heard that name in a while. Alright, there's Zion. Lottery ticket. The big man showed his face. Now we just need ink. Now we need some ink. RJ Barrett, superstar. Gordon Hayward, number to 125, conference finals. Ja Morant, Rookie of the Year Contenders. Oh, nice hit right there. Permit to dominate, Ja Morant. That's a great insert right there. Sweet. This is going for $400. Wow. All right, then we have a Jalen Brunson, sophomore Contenders signatures, number to 99. That's a great hit on the Morant. And last pack is a redemption. Oops. Oh, wow. Very nice. Veteran season ticket printing plate, 1/1 autograph of Kevin Garnett. Fantastic box right there, man. 1/1 KG. And that rounds out round number 3. Congratulations, man. If I can get you anything else, just let me know.